Hey Kelly, this is Tyler with Leads by Lordi. I wanted to make this video for you and give you a plan that you could start implementing right away in order to start outranking some of your competitors online and bringing in some more customers for your business. So I have your website pulled up here, A Cleaning Connection, and it looks great. You got a call today right here in the front, which is what we love to see. You have a click to call button for mobile, which is great. You got a good bit of information here, and then all your information down here regarding address, email, all the contact stuff. So nice layout. Have all your different services, which is great. We'll get into that. But the first thing I wanted to point out and talk about was content. And with Google, content is king. They like to see anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 words of content on that homepage alone. And what that's going to allow you to do is rank for specific keywords related to your services, such as cleaning services in New Jersey. Okay, so anything that someone types into Google, related to your business, you want to be found for, and creating more content is going to allow you to do that. So let's jump into these services pages as well and find out, what we have going on here. So again, nice layout, but we definitely want some more content. You have a lot of services that you offer, so we want to go more in depth. That way, when someone's typing in information related to your services, related to your business, your pages are going to be found. So what I did was I pulled up a report of your website in a tool we use called Ahrefs, and it shows you the ranking and it shows you the trust and the power of your backlink profile. And what a backlink is just a vote of confidence really from one website to another, right? So if you're on a website scrolling through and there's a link to your site, that's what a backlink is. And it just shows people that, when there's a link there, they're taken to a place where there's relevant content, all right? So you have 24 websites pointing back to yours, and there's 151 backlinks from that. And then based off of the content on your site, you're ranking for 26 keywords. So what I did was I pulled up a competitor of yours that shows up on the first page of Google for cleaning services in New Jersey. And you can see here that, it's a pretty basic site. They do have a little bit of content here. They have a video, but not too much going on. Yeah, they're on that first page. All right, so let's jump into some of the other back pages. They have a little bit more content here. You got commercial, same thing. So pretty much the same setup there. Cleaning tips. All right. So you might be wondering, okay, why, is this ranking higher? I to be honest with you, I think you have a nicer site. So let's dive into their report and let's find out why. So here's their report. You see their rankings much better. They have, higher trust and power. They have 32 domains with 176 backlinks, and they're ranking for 209 keywords based off of their content. And you can see the traffic that they're bringing in and the value as well, right? And that's all because they're on that first page. So we come down here, we can see that, their backlink profile, most of them are in 11 to 20. If we go back to yours, there's not as many down here. Okay, so we definitely want to increase that because not all backlinks are created equal. You want high quality backlinks, right? So we want to get some up here into this area. So let's jump into their keywords. Let's find out what they're ranking for. And you can utilize some of those terms to create some content on your site. So you can see here the search volume for all these phrases. Cleaning company, New Jersey, it's 150 searches. Okay. Professional cleaning service, New Jersey, 90 searches. Cleaning company, New Jersey, 150. You can just kind of see down here all these, volumes and different phrases. And again, this is what you can base your content around. Because this is what people are searching for in Google. And this is what's going to rank you. They're on, number 1, number 2 for a lot of these phrases. That's what's bringing them a lot of traffic. All right, so I pulled up one more competitor just to give you another idea. Here's New Jersey Cleaning Services. A nicer website. They have, some content here, some links to the different services. Again, some links. A little call out. A nice header there, and then some reviews, but nothing not the 1,000, 2,000 words of content that we talked about. So, utilize that tip to outrank these two top competitors of yours. And then going into services, you'd expect a little bit more information. Again, not too much. So on those back pages that you have, go into depth, and I think you could definitely outrank these two competitors based off of content alone. Let's jump into their report as well. You can see their profile. They have 50 domains with 940 backlinks. All right, we can see their rating. It's a little bit better. They have a good bit of backlinks here. And then they're ranking for 250 keywords, and you can see the traffic and the value from that. So we talked about content, and we talked about the high quality backlinks. The last thing I want to touch upon is a citation. And what a citation is a name, address, phone number, okay, and business directories online, okay, such as Yellow Pages. And what that's going to do is it's going to boost up your Google My Business listing, right? This is like your mini website here. All right, and this is another way for you to be found on Google. So, and we'll get into that in a second here, but here's your listing. Let me just make sure we have a good connection there. Yep, good. You have your address, you have your hours, you have your phone number. We want to make sure that there's pictures. Doesn't look like there's pictures here, besides your location. So you want to add in pictures of your services, maybe of your team, your facility, if you have one, right? And what that's going to allow you to do, if you save the pictures correctly with keywords, it's going to allow Google to read it and send people to your listing, right, for those keywords. And then the last thing I check is a description. Doesn't really look like you have a description here, so we want to make sure we max out at 750 characters that they allow. And like I said, add in more content, add in more keywords to rank for. This is just another opportunity to do that. That way, when we're typing in, or anybody, right, cleaning services, New Jersey, we sometimes see an ad section up top, which a lot of people skip because nobody likes ads. And then they come down to this map pack, right, where you're going to find your Google My Business listing. And not many people click view all, so we want to be in these top 3 spots, right? We trust Google to send us to the top businesses. So the citations, the optimizing the Google My Business, that's going to help you get into these top 3 spots. The backlinks, the content, that's going to help you come down here into the organic section, okay? And I hope you utilize these tips and tricks that we talked about. If you have any questions, if you need some help, give me a call. My phone number is 267-885-3473. Here's my business website, leadsbylordeye.com. Again, my name's Tyler, and I'll talk to you soon.